What is up, Drawdown King here? Gonna be looking at see if we got some trades. Got to get a few trades in today, so we got a little bit left time, left. Whatever the case, to get that done. You know what I'm saying? Not sure what's going on here. Let's connect this piece of shit. Have to re-import the file. I don't know if it's even going to work here today. I don't think it ever connected. Is that right? That's alright. Alright, whatever. Drinking some cherry limeade cola here. Frosty brand since 1939. Alright, so what do we see right out of the gate? We really only analyze this in crude. Crude oil did exactly what we talked about the other day. This is before I knew anything about whatever's happening in the news because I don't really care about the news. I care about the goddamn levels here we got. They repeat across multiple instruments and is not a fluke. Working on getting that programmed into another brain as we speak. Digitize that whole methodology. Maybe I'll share some. Actually, if you go in to my Discord right here, by the way, got some alerts. There's just a lot of losses and a lot of mess ups here. It's not tracking things properly. So, but if you want to check that out, you should see the link to my Discord, and it's in beta alerts. I may make that access only, special access only. As of right now, it's just running a bunch of stuff. Don't trust it, but you can use it as a reference. When it gets better, I'll let you know. When it gets too good, it's going to disappear. When it gets too good, okay? So just letting you know. Either disappear or it will cost a bunch. Probably in the $700 to $1,000 a month range. Alright, so we're looking at crude here. I got crude up. And the crude oil. Maybe we'll do a report here. Let's get our audio recording. By the way, I take my time. Always take your time in Power Hour. You got time to screw around here. All right, Power Hour. What's up, everybody? 3:15, 23 UTC. July the 14th, 2026, 3:17 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm already on the stream right now, and thought we would do a quick analysis looking at crude oil. Crude oil. We talked about the 80 level. I don't care about the news. I said I was looking at 72. 72 gets taken back, pops up. I said this. Go back. I don't know which episode. It couldn't be too far. You know, check right around here between Friday and Monday. Right? Check the transcript. Throw it in your AI. I'm not fucking around. All right. So we had 72.50, came back, retested here, and then what was next? 80. It's still not going to be unexpected to see 86. keep in mind, came from 70. Oh, where were we actually? Came down to around 68. So 86 is not. I would be getting a little concerned right around 94. If you were to pop through that, the market could really tank. But we wanted to go before that and the market tank along with the crude. We don't want crude way, way, way up. We want to control deflation of these financial markets. And we get the controlled deflation. I would not be surprised. We get that crude oil back into 64. I don't think we're going to go into the 47.50 gallon, but they could see a quick dip here down to 58. See, that's 20 points down. Pretty substantial move. But I could see it down to 58. And then a big springboard, just like a 72, 58, 72. And then just, you know, a settle in kind of rotational stuff. So nothing too interesting in crude, but we did talk about 72.50. So when we get that support base in, 80s next. Don't care about the news. The news is bullshit. All right, the news is late. The news is after the fact. All right, so I think I've got this up. Let's switch over to MES on this one, and then I got to do a couple other things while I'm on here as well. Alright, people. We got our alerts up and running. Maybe we'll do, oh wow. It's a long time in this trade here. It's got an open trade called 75.91. Been in that for 34 minutes and 43 seconds. 34 minutes. Wow. Got a short open. And if you're in the Discord, I showed you a while ago. If you're in here, once you're in here, I'll start pushing evaluations on you like everybody else. Right here, that's your alerts. So, some of these decimal points, these things need fixed. I don't really know what that's doing other than copying it. It says that one lost. The calculations are way off, so again, they're still long at 75.91. When this long closes on ES and they switch to a short, I'll be looking at shorts. Simple as that. Alright. Back since I'm recording for audio for the transcription. Looking at a break, had that move up this morning, as you can see, that 47.50 cross. And slightly above that 10, couldn't quite hit 20. As you can see, they had some resistance here and here. Couple areas resistance. Back down, hit the yellow 75.58. Tried to take 76.06. 72. Now it's in the yellow band. Now it's in between 86 and 94. It's not my favorite spot to be in. I'd rather be in 64.72 than to be into 86.94. See what I'm saying? But since we're here, I'm looking at, and you get into this 0020, that's a lot of chop there. So we don't know yet. We'll keep an eye open. They still got a long signal open there. I'm gonna let that one resolve. We're gonna let that one resolve, people. I on MES, right? MES, yep. I don't know why this one entered at 91. Oh, okay, I see. I see one. Got a whole list of refinements coming up. So stop in, look around, see if you like anything. There's no guarantee I'll keep things, but we'll keep working with you and see what kind of options we have available to us. So getting a short signal on NQ here. 29.824 half. I could probably do this, right? What do you think? I'll put all messages on like that? Some belching. 326. I'll be back in a minute. Looking for possibly shorts in this area. I'd rather be in this area though, from 08 to 15. Right here. I'm not too confident, but we'll see what plays out shortly. Stupid shit, man. Fuck.